Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from a USB drive on your HP ZBook Firefly 14. In order to do so, it is very simple. First of all, plug in your bootable USB drive, then shut your laptop down if it's currently on. So I'm gonna do that, and after it's shut down, wait for possibly up to half a minute to make sure it's fully off. After that, press on the power button, which is on the keyboard on the laptop, around the top right corner on the left side of the delete key, and immediately after releasing the power button, just press on it shortly, but immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on escape key on your keyboard, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Once it shows the HP logo, you can stop pressing the escape key. It has flashed the logo, but now I don't see anything on the screen, and I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be like that, but let's see. Yeah, it's all fine. Now I know that you can't probably see too much right now, but if you go to boot menu or just press on F9, then you'll see the boot options. I'm gonna turn the brightness down so you can actually see it. Yeah, you can see it now. So if you choose like the USB drive, it's gonna be here, you know. In my case, it's here. It's a generic USB, so I know it's the USB drive, right? Let's click on that, and now I'm booting from that drive, and that's basically it for this video. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.